All right, everybody, here's your core bites number 115. So the first one is asking you to fill in the missing number. So let's see if you can figure out with skip counting. So 2 to 5, you'd have to add 3. 11 to 14, you would add 3. 14 to 17, you would add 3. So your rule is to add 3. So 5 plus 3 would give you 8. For number 2, 85 tens equals how many ones? So the answer would be 850 ones. Because if you have 85, those 10 times, that's going to give you 850. For number 3, you're subtracting a fraction. Their denominator is the same. So you just say 12 minus 5, which gives you 7. For the perimeter, you're going to count what's on the outside. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So it's 24 units. So just imagine you're walking that fence. You're going around the fence and you're counting the planks that are part of that fence. Okay? And then for number 5, what types of lines are represented? You see they are perfectly crossing in a plus sign with this right angle right here. So we call these perpendicular lines. Okay? So just imagine you're at stop signs and that's where you're crossing. Okay? All right, check yours.